It is 5 o'clock in the morning in Olkiluoto, the Finnish OL3 reactor site, the first EPR in construction. This morning, Arriva's OL3 teams prepare for a major event. The pressure vessel for the future reactor, 10 metres high, 5 metres wide and weighing 420 tonnes, will be introduced into the reactor pit. A significant step in the construction of this Generation 3+ reactor, the safest in the world and a worldwide first on the nuclear stage.
Today it's a huge milestone for us because first it is the first heavy component that we bring inside the reactor. Okay, it's a big achievement because it's the start really the core business of Arriva, okay, the installation of all the main equipment and to assemble the nuclear primary circuit.
Thanks to a temporary crane set up outside the buildings, the RPV has been introduced into the fuel building few days prior to this final operation. The pressure vessel is the first component being installed at Olkiluoto 3. Arriva's OL3 teams and their subcontractors have been working for months preparing the sequences which will enable the vessel to be placed into its final position.
Of course, the preparation of an operation such as this one isn't done in just a few weeks or even months. All our teams have been working both in Chalon, in France, and on the site for several years already. And this work culminates here in a smoothly run operation without the slightest technical problem.
Two operations are particularly delicate, positioning the vessel vertically and lowering it into the pit. 60 people will be working for 17 hours to carry out this spectacular manoeuvre.
For us, the first lifting of one RPV, reactor pressure vessel, of EPR, first of a kind, all over the world. Today we are really demonstrating the Arriva's expertise. One thing we can say here, we are in a very important confinement, as you can see here in this building, but you have no noise, nobody shouting, everything has been prepared. So we are heading to commissioning. We are even preparing the commissioning here on site, in full connection with our customer, TVO.
It is 6 p.m. and the lowering of the pressure vessel can begin. It's a strategically complex manoeuvre, as the distance between the vessel and the pool's wall is minute.
The real challenge we have with this operation is that the clearances are very minimal. We have a very large weight to handle, and the clearances to introduce it in the building are within a few millimeters. So it takes a lot of patience and a lot of knowledge, a lot of know-how to execute the job in a safe manner.
8 p.m. and the vessel is finally installed in the pit, a flawless exercise for Arriva's teams, who will continue to install Olkiluoto's heavy nuclear components in the coming months.
I'm proud because so many people would have liked to be here, to say that they helped install the EPR's pressure vessel.
I have to say that I'm very, very proud of what they did and what they will do, because they will continue to work.
With this remarkable technical feat marking the beginning of the installation of the heavy nuclear components, Arriva demonstrates its expertise in the construction of Generation 3+ reactors.
This project will help us to develop an EPR fleet worldwide by the implication of the teams here. The Taishan project has already 50% of its teams having experienced either OL3 or FA3, and this is already a major key to success. It is the teams making the experience here that are bringing a major asset to our company.